Future Factory is a crucial step towards Print4All, the trade show for the printing industry that will be taking place from the 3rd to the 6th of May 2022 at the Milan Exhibition Centre. Now that traditional vertical shows have basically become a thing of the past, Print4All will have a highly original format encompassing the entire printing sector, covering materials and applications of all kinds and allocating space to every aspect of the industry: converting, package printing, labelling, printing and communication, and industrial printing. Print4All will be a 4-day event focusing on technological innovation, business networking, education and training, and offering exhibitors outstanding international visibility and visitors a truly unique opportunity to check out the best and latest in instrumental mechanics. Also because Print4All, IPAC IMA and Intralogistica Italia will be held together next year. The 2022 event will be driven by two buzzwords: digitisation and sustainability. And both topics will be the focus of Future Factory, where vital developments will be discussed and later expanded on during Print4All. So we look forward to seeing you at Fiera Milano from the 3rd to the 6th of May 2022. Let's be sure to hit the ground running so that we can rise to the challenge facing the market going forward.